Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I have today three things, uh, three ways to be more decisive. Okay, three ways to be more decisive. Okay, one, don't always look for validation. Okay, number two is try new things every day. Try new things every day. Okay, number three, always yourself to make mistake. No problem if you make mistake, because you will learn every day. It's experience. Make more, and you will grow up. Yeah, sometimes maybe you worry about it. No, it's don't worry. It's you getting get up, getting grow up. That's life. It's very good. um Always you be happy. Happiness is important. Okay, thank you, bye.